Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need mini pony beads, and perler beads. You're also going to need scissors, a lighter, and a long piece of string. And you're going to start with this pattern here. Once you have those beads on, and you'll just have those in the middle here, we're going to add one clear, and then you're going to take your string and go across. Well, it might be easier if I do it down here. Take this string and go across, if I can get it through there. Okay, there we go. You're going to hold these ends together and pull this bead down. Okay, on this side, we're going to add a black perler, clear, and a black. Let those fall. And then on this side, you're going to add just one and let that fall. Now we're going to take a clear, and this string will go across. So we cross those over. Now that we have it started, you can pull both ends. That's what it looks like. Okay, on this side we're going to add one black, let that fall, and then on the other side we're going to add a black, lost that one, clear, and then black. Let those fall. You're going to add a clear, and then this string will go across. We're going to pull these ends. Okay, now we're going to do our next color. We're going to add orange, clear, and orange. Let those fall. And then on this side we're just going to add one orange and let that fall. Now we're going to take a clear, and this string will go across. Now we'll pull the ends. Okay, on this side we're just going to add one black, let that fall. This side we're going to add black, clear, and then black, and just let those fall. We're going to add a clear, and then this string will go across. You're going to pull your ends. This side we're going to add black, clear, black. This side we're just going to add black. Then we're going to take a clear, and the string's going to go across. You're going to grab your ends and then pull. Okay, we're ready to start the next color. So we're going to add a yellow on this side, let those beads fall. We're going to add a yellow, clear, and yellow on this side. We're going to add a clear, and this string will go across, and then we're going to pull down. So every time we start, well, we're just going back and forth here. So we're adding one bead on one side, three on the other. And then 3 on one side, 1 on the other. And we always have a middle bead that we're crossing through. I'll do one more and then I'll finish the rest off camera and come back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I added the black, clear, black, and then black on this side. Clear, crossover, and go down. And we always have 2 black in between each color. So I'm going to add one more black, and then we're going to have green, blue, and purple. So I'm going to go ahead and do those, and then I'll be back to show you. Okay guys, I finished all my colors, and this is what it looks like. Now, this might be a little loose, so what you need to do is just pull and push these down. You just pull them down. You don't want it super tight because you want some stretch. So to connect this, what you're going to do is take your string and go through this clear here. And then tie these 2 strings together. And then cut that off. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.